thumbs up. Three marinas just drove by. Hey, hola. They're doing a little Mexican construction here. Building this place. It's gonna get pretty big next time we come here. It'll probably be a whole nother story on there. And these are pre-made rebar sections for the columns. Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo se llama?
¿Mande?
¿Cómo se llama?
José.
Jose. Mucho gusto, Jose. Me llamo Chris. Yeah. Those are pretty heavy pieces of rebar for the columns. Nice how they're all pre-made like that. They're already really nicely tie strapped on there. Yeah. Mucho fuerte, eh? And this is what the house looks like inside. You got a little portable toilet, and it's gonna be a pretty fancy place, right on the little river creek there. Okay, give her. Show me the muscles. Show me the muscles. Mucho bueno, see? Oh, the other guy's coming up to help him. Yeah, there's gonna be two guys helping him. Yeah, that's ¿Cuántos kilos?
¿Mande?
¿Cuántos kilos es esta una? Like 30 kilos? That's it? 30. Oh, 30 kilos. So yeah, that's 60 pounds, 70 pounds. Looks more like 100 to me. But there you go, eh? You never know where we're gonna be or what we're gonna see on budgettravelerchris.com here in Puerto Vallarta, where next year that will be at least a 1 story higher, but you can see they've got rebar to go for another story higher. And here's one of the cool trucks. You gotta like it. He goes by every day. They're building houses down in Gringo Gulch. Gringo Gulch is just straight ahead there, right under the back of the Mirador. You can see that mountain there. It's a lookout over the entire city of Puerto Vallarta. Anyhow, stay tuned for more new and exciting videos from budgettravelerchris.com. Take care, buddy.